Hello friends. In our previous video, we are created successfully created our project using Spring Initializer. Now we are going to add our MySQL database connect to our project. So if you can see, if I run this project, then it will give me errors because we are not connect our application to the MySQL database. If you can see, application failed to start because we are not connecting our database. So for connecting our database, we are going to add in our resource file in application.properties. Here we are going to write database configuration. You can comment it like database configuration. Okay. So for this, we have to add first our URL. For that, connecting Spring dot data source. Mistake. Data source dot URL is equal to JDBC colon MySQL colon localhost. Here we are going to add our database localhost 33 is blog. Here we are adding our table blog application. Next line we are adding our username. So just paste this. Okay. Data source user name. My username is root. You are adding your database username. After that, password. Password is equal to my password is your password, and we are adding DDL Hibernate. For that, Spring dot jp dot Hibernate dot DDL auto, and we are passing there update, because whenever we restart our application, the database automatically update and create. After that, we are adding Spring dot jp dot properties dot Hibernate dot dialect is equal to org dot Hibernate dot dialect dot MySQL dialect. Writing these lines, your database will automatically connect. One more task we have to do here. We have to create this name blog application table schema in our MySQL. For that, open your MySQL workbench. Here, click on local MySQL. You can see here. Create new schema. Name it to the blog application. Just save. Finish. Here we can see this is one of the, there is no tables and all. So go back to the our IntelliJ. Open our main application and just run. Our application was started. Import 8080. There is no error now. Our table is created successfully and connect to our application. In the next video, we are going to create our first entity, user entity. So stay tuned and please do like and subscribe. Thank you.